Hello, welcome back. This is Tesla Ken with the Cybertruck.com website, and just have a little follow-up for you. Remember, we put the Xpel armor on the tailgate and on the bed. Well, this evening I also added some more to the front of the bed. But one of the things I wanted to try differently is to apply the sides of the vault here in just two pieces. The one piece before the kind of the angular piece, is the fold in the bed there. And then instead of having multiple pieces, I think it's 3 or 4 that come from Abstract Ocean with the Xpel armor, I've asked them to just cut me one piece, and I'm going to see if I can't lay this all down in one singular piece on the vault side with the one other smaller piece up here just beyond the folded edge. So stay tuned and I will start the process. I'm sure much like just doing the tailgate or the bed, I'm going to do it in pieces. I'm going to lay it down and position it, kind of squeegee it out. I don't anticipate any problems other than the big piece is going to be a little heavy. Going to have to just kind of tack it at the ends, move it a little bit along the tops, figure out exactly where I want it, and then lay it down. Okay, as you can see, we got the first piece onto the left. I still need to put the little rectangular piece on the door. But we've got all of that lined up and we're ready now to try the really long piece here, but got to clean off this side first. So I just thought I'd start off to show you. I just kind of tacked it down in that corner a little bit, draped it, tacked it a couple of other places. The whole piece needs to move a little bit to the right, but now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work this, as you kind of see a little piece here, and I'm going to move that all the way down. But just laying it down and getting it kind of tacked up at the top allows me then to work the piece into position where it needs to go. Okay, as you can see, we got the whole piece laid down in one single swoop. It all fit up nicely. I just had to kind of tug and stretch and position a little bit as I worked my way down, but smoothed it out with the little supplied squeegee, and it looks good. So now I've got to do the other side. Okay, as you can see, I've now put down that kind of triangular piece and then that whole big long piece on the passenger side. Everything fits up good, nice and smooth along the top and along the bottom. Again, just took some time to work it. I worked it from this direction, tacked it down here and then down, and then made sure the top to bottom was good, and then slowly pushed it all the way back and got it centered and pushed down. I had to pull up and lay down, pull up and lay down a few times just to get just the right angle, just the way I wanted it, so it laid down smoothly. But in the end, went down really well, and I'm excited to have a completely armored vault. So I want to thank Abstract Ocean again. This is Tesla Ken for the Cybertruck.com website. Stay tuned.